How you doing? My name is Oscar Moran and I represent AC Beyond. I'm going to be talking about air conditioning, but the electrical part of it. We'll be starting from the basic air conditioning into three-phase motors, three-pole contactors, transformers. I'm going to be mentioning everything else, but for me to be able to do that, we have to start from the beginning. I'm going to talk about how the electricity flows. Pretty much going to be basic. We're going to have one wire with a switch and a light bulb. We're going to talk about how it works and how to read the meter. That's a very important thing to do. How to be able to read the meter and how you're going to be able to troubleshoot an air conditioner. Please do be careful because electricity is very dangerous. This video is our introduction video only, not to going to be, you can become a mechanic, a top technician, but this to give an idea how electricity flows. Please be careful when dealing with electricity. Thank you. First, we're going to have, let's just suppose that we're going to have one, let's start with 120 volts, right? We know that one leg is hot, which will be 120, and the other one is going to be neutral, which is 0 voltage. So, we know that if we put a switch here and a light bulb here, and well, anyway, let's start from the beginning. We have one wire, we have 120 volts here, it goes through a switch. The switch is open, you're going to have the light's going to be off. But if we're going to read from here, from the neutral side, and from here we're going to read 120 volts. The reason why is because you're measuring the hot leg and the neutral, okay? Think about it as an outlet. You have an outlet, okay? If you put your meter between here and here, you're going to get 120, right? So, same thing here and here. But if we put, let's say, we close the switch, we're still going to have 120. The only difference is that light bulb is going to be on. So, pretty much that's 120, that's nice and everything. But if we change the wire and we read here, there's going to be 0 volts. The reason why is because if you think about it, this line, the hot leg and the switch is going to be just one straight line. So if you have over here, you have this is neutral and this is hot right here, you're going to measure from here to here, you're going to be 0 volts because you're only reading one hot leg. But if we cut here, if you open this switch from here, you're going to be reading 120, right? The reason why is because from here to here, okay, same thing over here, let's say this is open right here, oh, it didn't work. But we're going to be reading, we're going to have the light bulb here, and we're going to read from here to here, we're going to be run 20 volts. The reason why is because we are reading the neutral. If you read the hot leg and the neutral from here to here, it's 120 volts, right? From here to here, it's 120. And then from here and here is 120. The light's going to be off. But, like I said, we're going to read 120. But if it's closed, you're going to read 0. So you have to remember how to read the meter and how to read the switches. What reading you're going to be able to get. Okay? This is basic air conditioning. This is pretty much the introduction or how everything you're going to be able to switch pretty much with the meter and you're going to be able to understand it better. But this is the very beginning of electrical, okay? I've been in the field more than 20 years. I'm going to be showing you basic air conditioning, the very basic, like I said from the beginning. Okay, I do recommend these videos are introduction only, for you to learn, to have an idea how electricity works and how that works in the air conditioning field. Okay, you have to be very careful when it comes to electricity, please. Okay, I do recommend only mechanics and also junior mechanics that are in the field. They have an idea how electricity works and how they're going to be able to read it. Okay, so I guess that'll be this lesson for now, and I'm going to be coming up with different videos every week. If you have any questions, any comments, please let me know. Don't forget, this should be under HCBon in YouTube. So anyway, so thank you for everything. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up. Alright, thank you and goodbye.